Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be continuing my Python tutorial. In the last video, I ran through what comments and strings are. And in this video, I will be giving a brief intro on what Boolean values are and what comparison values are, and how they are related. So let's get right into it. What are Boolean values? Well, what Boolean values are, they're basically the values of true and false. So you could just type in true and it won't come up with an error, false and it won't come up with an error, as these two are both Boolean values. Now I want you to keep those two values in mind, true and false. Now we'll move on to comparison values. Comparison. So comparison is what the operations we use to compare. So like equals to, greater than, less than, and etc. So here's a website, and I'll put it in the description below if you guys wish to see it. So this website will show me all the Boolean, all the comparison operators. So there's equal to, and its symbol is this. Not equal to, symbol is this. Greater than, less than, greater and equal to, and less than or equal to. So we'll get right into it, and we'll use, for now, we can use maybe greater than. We'll use greater than. So we can go open up Python console and clear all, and we can get right into it. So we can maybe say 5 is greater than 3. Of course, that's not true, and it would, of course, that is true, sorry, my bad, and it will come up as true. And remember, that's using the Boolean values, as I told you to keep in mind, the two values, false and true. As you can see, it comes into play. Now, if I do the same thing, we should be getting a false. Now, I'm sure you can see how the Boolean values and comparison operators are both connected in a way. So, we can extend this. We can go maybe 5 is greater than or equal to 6. And that's false, because 5 is not greater than or equal to 6. But if we did 5 is greater than or equal to 5, it would come up with true, because 5 is equal to 5. So the Boolean values and both the comparison values are meeting together. Now we can use I'm just going to clear all this. We can use the strings we learned about in the last video. So if you guys haven't checked that video out, it might be quite important for you to go check it out. So the strings, we can maybe go, we can start, we'll define our first string, x, and that's equal to maybe 10. And then our next string could be y, which is equal to 5. And then we could do which is greater. So y is greater than x. What do you think it would say? False. Because over here, is y greater than x here? No, it's not, because 5 is not greater than 10. So we can even use it as for strings, and they can be used also. You could keep a reminder of these in your comments as comments, like we've also seen in the last video. So you can maybe do the comment, use the triple quote comment, and type in all of these values as a reminder. So that's a brief intro on what comparison and Boolean values are. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you liked it, remember to hit that like button and subscribe. If you need any clarifications, please put them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And to stay updated and view my videos as soon as possible, click that notification bell. Until next time, this is me signing off.